Hi guys, this is a package from Temu. Order came pretty quick, within the next week, the following week, and this is a car cover. It's a bit ripped, but that's fine. It's a car cover, nice car cover, $20+. This is it, 3XXL or 1, I don't know. That looks very advanced. Quality, guys. Look, it's squared up. Square patterns. Comes with caution strips. Reflective caution strips for the night so people don't hit your car. That's what it comes with. Like wires, a strap, and code padlock, code lock, zipper lock. It's called zipper lock. And yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.